Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. So this is my CVS haul for this week. Everything you see here cost me $6.41, and this is working with very few CRTs. So if you want to see how I picked up these items, keep on watching. Okay guys, I am at CVS, and the first thing I'm picking up is 2 of the paparazzi. It's 2 for $5, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. There is a glow in the dark, so I'm going to try getting this one right here. And I'm going to pick up a clear one as well. I'm going to pay, oh, by the way, I did my nails myself. I'm going to pay $5 and I'll get $4 back, making it just $1 for 2. Okay guys, so the L'Oreal is buy 2 for $8 and you get $2 back. I'm picking up 2 of the stylers because I have a lot of shampoo and conditioner. I wanted 2 of the mousse because I use this in my hair, but they only have 1. So I'm going to pick up 1 of the hairspray and 1 of the mousse. It's going to be $8. We have a 4 off of 2 digital, as well as a 4 off of 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. It should wipe everything out, and I'll pay nothing, and I'll get $2 back, making them both free and a $2 moneymaker. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you this deal. If you pick up 4 of the degree, you pick up 2 of the women's and 2 of the men's. They're $6.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. When you purchase $15, you get $5 back. So for 4 of them, it's going to be $20.97. Now you're going to use 2 of these coupons. You're going to use the $3 women's and the $3 men's. There are $3 women and $3 men digital as well, which is going to glitch and come off, leaving you to be just $3.97. But I do not have any CRTs, so I'm contemplating on if I should do this deal or not. That's not going to be too bad after you get that $5 back. It's going to be like $1 each. Yeah, maybe I'll buy it. I don't know. I'll think about it before I leave the store. Okay guys, you can check your store. My stores have a bunch of these at 75% off. Now they are loaded, so I'm not gonna buy any. Hopefully I can come back when they are 90% off and I can get some. So if you need any of these and if you have any coupons, feel free to get some. And it's buy one, get one 40% off. I'm not sure if it works for the clearance as well though. So just check your stores and see what you can find. Okay guys, so the next deal I'm gonna do is the Revlon, and I'm testing this out. I have a 4 off of 12 Maybelline CRT that's attaching to these products. So I'm gonna pick up 2, 1 of the Kiss Balm, the regular ones at $5.49, and then 1 of the exfoliating ones at $6.49. So for both, it's going to be $11.98. If that 4 off of 12 comes off, and I'm going to use 2 of these $3 off coupons, I'm going to be left to pay $1.98, and I'll get $4 back, making them free and a $2.02 moneymaker. Okay, so the dial is 2 for $7. I'm gonna pick up 2, which I have them right here. I'm gonna use 1 of these expired buy one get one free coupons. It should take off $30.50. I have a 2 off of 2 dial CRT, leaving me to pay $1.50 for 2, or 75 cents each. Okay guys, the next thing I'm picking up is 3 of these flips. It's 3 for $9, and when you purchase 3, you get a $3 extra care back. I'm gonna use 3 of these 75 cents off coupons, which is gonna take $2.25 off. I'm gonna pay $6.75. I'll get $3 back. There's a 75% off on Ibotta. I'll get that 3 times, so that's $2.25, and I'll also get 240 kicks on Shopkick, which is 96 cents, making all 3 just 54 cents. Okay, the next thing I'm picking up is 2 of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I am at the freezer section, so it's gonna be really loud. I apologize. So I'm gonna pick up 2, and it's $1.77. When you purchase 2, you get $1 back. So both of them is going to be $3.54. Now there is a 1 off of 2 manufacturer's coupon and a digital coupon as well. Now I have these $1 peelies from Walmart, so I'm going to save my digital for another glitch one day. So I'm going to use 2. It's going to take off $2. So I'm going to pay $1.54, and I'm going to get $1 back, making them both 54 cents or just 27 cents each. Okay guys, so this is going to be my spend 40 get $10 back. I'm going to pick up 8 of the Tide. I do not have any gain coupons. Otherwise, I will be picking up the liquid, but they don't have the scent anyway that attaches to the coupon. So, or some gain fabric softener. So I'm going to stick with the Tide. I'm going to pick up 8. That's going to be $39.52. I'm going to use 8 of these $3 off coupons, but I'm going to separate them. I'm going to do 4 and 4. So after all of the coupons, it's going to come down to $15.52, getting $10 back, making it just $5.52 or 69 cents per pack. Guys, first I'm picking up 1 of the Colgate mouthwash at $4.49. It's buy 2, get $5 back. Okay, I'm going to walk down here really quickly. I'm going to actually run. Then I'm going to pick up 1 of the toothbrushes at $4.49 as well. This is going to be the second item. Now, they both have $2 digitals, okay? I'm going to pair this with some other Crest deals and Colgate. Okay, guys, so this is my oral care deal. It's a lot. So I'm picking up 2 of these are $4.49. Buy 2, get $5 back. The Crest is buy 3 at $3.99, get $5 back. The Pulsar toothbrush is $6.99. Spend 12, get $4 back. And the Colgate is $3.99. Buy 2, get $4 back. So for everything here is $50.89. I have 2 $2 off coupons for these. The Crest has a 6 off of 4. I also have a $1 off of 1. The toothbrush has a $2 off of 1. I'm going to use this $2 off of the other one. And I'm going to use 4 of these $2 coupons for the toothpaste. Now, after all of those coupons come off, I'm going to pay $23.89. I'll get $5 back for the Colgate, $4 back for the toothbrushes, $5 back for purchasing 3 of this, and $8 back for purchasing 4 of these. So, leaving my final cost to be $1.89, which I think is an amazing deal because we got some electronic toothbrushes.
You know, one has to stand back and admire your shopping savvy. You do it. You do it. You do it.
Well, thank you. Okay, guys. So as you can see, I decided to do the degree deal just because it's $4, $1 each. And yeah, I just decided I'm going to do it because if I sell those products, I can make a few dollars off of it. And my daughter also uses those. So for the Revlon deal, that 4 off of 12 Maybelline attached, as well as my Dial deal. The amount entered on the coupon was $5.49, which is the max value, making that completely free because my $2 CRT also came off, okay? Which he had to override the $2 CRT. Now, for my Colgate and Crest deal, everything right here, I put that together, and let me grab that receipt. So I'm going to tell you what to do. There we go. So, like I explained in the video, you're going to use everything I stated, but I totally forgot about the $3 coupons for the Crest. So you're going to use 2 of those and leave 1 for that 6 off of 4 to attach to. So the $1 one is not going to attach. I'm going to actually go back and do my second card today. So you're going to use 2 of the $3 off coupons. I only used 1, which I don't know what I was thinking. So that would have been a bigger moneymaker. So this is everything right here. This is all of the oral care deal, that $3 coupon. My subtotal came down to 89 cents. I used, let's see, 9 and 5, 14 and 3, 17. So I used $20 in CRTs and I got back 4 and 5, that's 9. 9 and 5 is 14, and 8 for the, I used the $8 CRT for these right here. So that's $22. So that was completely free and a $2 moneymaker. Now, if you use 2 of the $3 coupons, it's going to be a $4 moneymaker, okay? So, because instead of that $1 coming off, you're going to have an extra $2, if that makes sense. So, all right, this is everything I picked up, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.